In this video, I'll show you how to use Figma offline. Start by opening the Figma desktop app instead of the browser version. This is important because offline access is only available through the desktop application. Before going offline, make sure you open the files you plan to work on. Figma will store a local version so you can continue editing even without an internet connection. Once your files are loaded, you can disconnect from the internet and continue working as usual. You can edit designs, move elements, and make changes just like you would online. Keep in mind that some features, like collaboration, comments, and syncing, won't work while you're offline. When you reconnect to the internet, Figma will automatically sync your changes and update your files in the cloud. And that's it. You now know how to use Figma offline and continue working without interruptions. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.